Why do 90% of businesses use digital marketing? Let's find out. Digital marketing refers to the promotion of products or services using the internet and other forms of digital communication. It includes everything from search engines and social media to email marketing and even SMS campaigns. Think SEO, PPC, content marketing, and more. In this series, we'll break it all down and help you master the essentials. Stay tuned. I bet you didn't know that over 60% of the world is online right now. Yep, you heard that right. In today's world, more than 60% of the global population is online. That's a massive audience just waiting to be reached. Traditional marketing, like billboards and newspapers, is no longer enough. Why? Because digital marketing lets businesses reach their audience directly, measure results instantly, and adapt campaigns in real time. Imagine this, you're a small business owner. With traditional marketing, you'd need a hefty budget to compete. But with digital marketing, even a small budget can make a big impact. It's cost-effective, scalable, and gives businesses of all sizes a level playing field to grow and succeed. Picture a bar chart showing the rise in internet and social media users. That's your audience growing every second. With digital marketing, you can target specific groups, making sure your message hits the right people at the right time. And here's the best part, you get instant feedback. You can see what's working and what's not, and tweak your strategy on the fly. No more waiting weeks to see if your ad was a hit or miss. So why is digital marketing important? It's the key to reaching a global audience, leveling the playing field, and growing your business. Whether you're a student, a budding entrepreneur, or just curious about the digital world, understanding digital marketing is a must. Ready to become a digital marketing whiz? Stick around for more tips and tricks.